You know that for centuries, holy basil, also known as Tulsi, has been called the elixir of life and the incomparable one. It's so revered that many families grow it at home so that they can utilize it for daily spiritual and medicinal practices. The best part is it's packed with stress relieving and immune boosting properties that might just be the key to unlocking your health potential. Welcome to Try Gardening. I'm Casey, and today we're diving into the world of holy basil tea. But first, before we get started, if you like what we're sharing here, please subscribe to the channel below. And as always, big shout out to my girl McWavy for the lovely music as always. You can listen to more of her music at the Spotify link below. Okay, let's get back into holy basil tea. So it's a traditional herbal remedy with roots in ancient Ayurveda, and it's quickly becoming a favorite in the wellness community, and here's why. So have you gotten or felt stressed, fatigued, or maybe gotten sick lately? I mean, the stress and the fatigue that's pretty common in this day and age in the modern world, and obviously people get sick every once in a while, but seeing more people get sick more often. Um, so if you're like me, you'd like to find natural remedies to combat these challenges, but navigating the vast landscape of options can feel a bit overwhelming. And really, the market is saturated with products claiming to reduce stress and boost overall wellness, but many are packed with synthetic ingredients and come with and artificial additives, and they tend to, and sometimes they come with unpleasant and concerning side effects. But nobody wants those, right? But that is where holy basil comes in and can offer you a potential solution. So holy basil is renowned for its adaptogenic properties, meaning it has the potential to help your body adapt to stress and and restore balance. So it's also rich in antioxidants, and which are great for supporting the immune system. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. So take a look at the complete list of scientifically proven actions of holy basil. I'm about to show that to you, and you can scroll through it. You might even want to come back and review this list so that you don't miss out on any of them, because there are just so many. It's really that extensive. So take a look right here, and we'll be back in a second. So again, we come back to its nickname. You can see why it's called, after looking at the list, you can see why it's called the elixir of life. Few plants possess such abilities to boost overall well-being. So the question is, how might you easily gain these benefits? The answer: consume it regularly as a tea. And if you want to keep a constant supply on hand, growing it in a pot is something that even a beginner new to gardening can do. You can see, oh, here, let me show you. You can see my little babies. I started here. Once these guys reach maturity, they'll grow quickly, and I'll be able to get quite a few cuttings to make tea. They recently came under a little bit of an aphid attack, so I'll be showing you how to combat those in the future. But yeah, if you grow it at home, not only are you going to save a bunch of money, it's just nice having a fresh herb around. So I definitely encourage it. But let's get into how to actually prepare holy basil as a tea. Okay, let's get started. So gather fresh or dried holy basil leaves. It's around 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup fresh, and about 1 teaspoon dried if bought from a store where it's finely chopped up. If you actually grew it and you're drying it and you just coarsely chopped it, you can up it to 2 to 3 teaspoons per cup. These are really just basic guidelines, so do what tastes good to you. Experiment. But yeah, definitely experiment. So now, if you don't have holy basil on hand, it's readily available at local farm shops or health food stores, and herbal apothecaries as well. As I mentioned before, I'm just starting my little basil plants here. They're not ready to harvest yet, so I got mine from a local farm shop down the road. So yeah, so let's get into holy basil's taste profile. It tends to have a spicy flavor to it. So you might want to try adding mint or lemongrass. It makes a really, really delicious iced tea. But if it's cooler out, you can definitely make a chai flavored one. You're going to want to add like fennel, cardamom, cinnamon to it. Super tasty that way too. So whichever one you prefer, there's a way to enjoy it. Now, whatever way you do it, you're going to want to put the herbs and spices, if you have them, into your tea kettle. Boil a cup of water, unless of course you want to share, and then you can match the water to the herb amount for how many cups you're going to be making. After the water boils, take the water off the heat, let it cool for a minute, and then pour the water over the tea leaves and cover it. So then you're going to want to let it sit between 5 to 20 minutes, again, depending on taste. So you're going to want to taste it in between, see what you like best. And then it really allows the leaves to release its goodness and wellness potential. You're going to strain the tea into a cup afterwards and then let it cool slightly before drinking if it's hot, if it isn't cooled down enough. But you can also put it in the fridge and serve it chilled, as we mentioned before. So, and you can add, if it's that chai flavored, you can add a little milk to it. That tastes very yummy, and maybe a little bit of honey. So yeah, this really comes down to you and what you like, and experimenting with it. Okay, so you just finished the tea, you drank it, you're waiting for the benefits. I want to address one thing. The kicker as well, you may see some positive effects immediately after drinking the tea. If you want to use it as an adaptogen, again, where it restores balance and adapts to stress, you really need to consume it for a few weeks in order to see these potential health benefits. So be patient, enjoy the process. Yeah, that's all. That's all I'm gonna say about that. So yeah, but really, if that's it, holy basil, it's not just delicious. It really is a natural way to reduce stress and boost your immunity and support overall wellness. So, are you ready to try this simple yet powerful tea? Let us know how it turns out in the comments below. If you have any really good recipes, please share them as well. And if you're curious about more herbal remedies, check out our other videos, like where we explore the magic of lavender. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more herbal remedies, excuse me, and indoor gardening tips. All right, y'all, until next time, hope you have a good day. Bye.